Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I'm issuing you a challenge. Just buy $40 worth of Bitcoin. It's not a lot, but it's enough to start your journey to see what the future could hold. Let's explore why even a small step could have a massive impact on your financial future. Why dollar cost averaging is key. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, means investing a fixed amount regularly, no matter the price. This is so effective because it removes emotions. You're not trying to time the market and buy and sell at the perfect time. It takes advantage of dips. Every drop in price becomes an opportunity, not a setback. It builds discipline. Small, consistent savings add up over time. Right now, Bitcoin is on sale, and dips like this are your chance to stack at a discount. Let's imagine the world on a Bitcoin standard, a world where everyone transacts in Bitcoin globally and uses it to store and grow their wealth. On a Bitcoin standard, the money becomes the store of value. In this world, we no longer need to store our wealth in assets like homes. On a Bitcoin standard, a home becomes simply an affordable place to live. Excess power from homes and the grid fuels Bitcoin mining. This stabilizes energy markets. Bitcoin encourages clean energy by monetizing renewable power sources that would otherwise go to waste. This isn't science fiction, it's the direction we're heading, and in this world, even $40 worth of Bitcoin today could hold significant value tomorrow. Why it's still early. We are still incredibly early. Most people don't understand Bitcoin at all. They still see it as speculative, not realizing its potential to transform money, energy, and capital itself. Governments are only now starting to accumulate Bitcoin. Institutions like BlackRock are leading the charge and gobbling up the supply. And the general public is still waking up to what Bitcoin can do, and this is your chance to front run them all. Why $40 matters. You might think $40 is nothing, but imagine a future where every individual and family owns and mines Bitcoin. That $40 could be a meaningful piece of your family's financial future. It's not about the amount, it's about starting today. Bitcoin rewards those who act and not those who wait. Every penny you stack now is a piece of the pie in a world that's rapidly adopting Bitcoin. Along with this $40, commit to learning about Bitcoin for just a few hours. This is just one more step in putting you ahead of the 7 billion people on Earth who don't understand this technology yet. If you're interested in learning more, books like The Bitcoin Standard are a great place to start. My channel has condensed, digestible information for you as well. If you have any questions or ideas for video topics I haven't covered yet, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with a friend. If you're ready to get started on your Bitcoin journey, here are some tools to help you get started. River Financial is the most trusted Bitcoin-only exchange. It offers full proof of reserves, ensuring your Bitcoin is secure and not lent out. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a lifeline to a fairer, more sustainable world. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start, this is it. Buy just $40 worth of Bitcoin today. Take that first step towards your financial independence and a brighter future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.